So students, we are going to continue with sequence series. Lecture 3. We have done problems up to your question 8 ka A part. We will now do question 8 ka B part. We have to find 4 numbers in GP such that their product is 64. Sum of the middle two numbers is 6. We say let 4 numbers in GP be A upon R cube, A upon R, A into R, A into R cube. The first condition is since product of the numbers is 64, therefore A upon R cube into A upon R, A into R, A into R cube is equal to 64. R cube cancels, R cancels. A raised to 4 equal to 64. So A square will become 8. So A will become root 8. So A will become 2 root 2. Now we are given sum of the middle two numbers is 6. Second condition. What are the middle two numbers? A upon R and A into R. Value of A is 2 root 2. We take LCM. We take all terms on one side and divide by 2. तो आएगा root 2 r square minus 3r plus root 2 equal to 0. This root 2 into root 2 will become plus 2. हमको चाहिए minus 3. तो minus 2 and minus 1 ऐड करेंगे तो minus 3 हो जाएगा. So the factors will be therefore we can remove root 2r common. Bracket में r minus root 2 minus 1 common. R minus root 2 equal to 0. Therefore r minus root 2 and root 2r minus 1. Root 2r minus 1. Therefore r minus root 2 equal to 0 or therefore r equal to root 2 और r equal to 1 by root 2. लास्ट लेक्चर में बोला था कि जब भी r का 2 वैल्यूज आएगा 99% दे विल बी रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ ईच अदर. यहाँ 2 तो यहाँ 1 by 2, 3 तो 1 by 3, 4 तो 1 by 4, so root 2 तो 1 by root 2. So now when a equal to 2 root 2 and r equal to root 2, the numbers in GP are क्या numbers हैं? A upon r cube, A upon r, A into r, A into r cube, that is 2 root 2 upon root 2 cube, 2 root 2 upon root 2, 2 root 2 into root 2 and this will become 2 root 2 upon 2 root 2. This will make it 4 and here 2 root 2 into root 2. So this 2 root 2 gets cancelled. So we get the numbers as 1, 2, 4 and 8. Obviously, when a equal to नंबर्स 1 2 4 8 की जगह पे 8 4 2 1 आएगा, वो कैलकुलेट करके दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है. ऑलराइट, वी कैन इजीली चेक दिस आंसर, वी कैन इजीली कंफर्म दिस आंसर. Multiply all the numbers. 1 into 2 into 4 into 8 will give you 64 and middle दो numbers को add कर दो. 2 plus 4 gives you 6. ये दोनों condition satisfy हुआ. Product of the numbers is 64. Sum of the middle two numbers is 6. चारों numbers को multiply करेंगे तो 64. middle दो number को add करेंगे तो 6. ये यहाँ से ये 2 को लिख सकते हैं √2 into r. And from here we can remove √2r common. √2r common, तो इधर से बचेगा r और इधर से बचेगा √2. -1 common. Alright, this is the answer. This problem is important, can be asked for 4 marks. 4 numbers in GP. We come to question 8 का C part. We have to now find 5 numbers in GP. 5 numbers in GP. How to write 5 numbers in GP? A upon r square, a upon r, a into r, a into r square. Now क्या दिया है? फर्स्ट कंडीशन, their product is 1024. Therefore, a upon r square, a upon r, a into r, a into r square, 1024. r square will cancel, r will cancel, we'll get a raised to 5 is equal to 1024. ये हमने पहले भी लिखा है. तो 5 gets cancelled, so value of a will be 4. A equal to 4, and we are given fifth number is the square of the third number. Since fifth number is the square of third number, what is the fifth number? A into r square is equal to a square, that is 1a will get cancelled, तो आएगा r square equal to what is a? 4. So what will be r? Plus or minus 2. r will be plus or minus 2. जनरली जब r का 2 वैल्यूज आता है तो एक वैल्यू 2 होगा तो दूसरा 1/2 होता है, लेकिन दिस प्रॉब्लम इज एन एक्सेप्शन. हियर वी गेट प्लस और माइनस 2, +2 and -2. ऑलराइट, सो आई विल से व्हेन a equal to 4 and r equal to 2, the numbers in GP are what numbers? A upon R square, A upon R, A into R, A into R square, that is 4 upon 2 square, 4 upon 2, 4, 4 into 2, 4 into 2 square, that is 4 upon 4, 4 upon 4, 4 upon 2 will be 2, 4, 8 and 4 into 4. So the numbers will be 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now when A equal to 4 and R equal to minus 2, the numbers in GP are A upon R square, A upon R, A into R, A into R square, that is 4 upon minus 2 का square, 4 upon minus 2, 4, 4 into minus 2 and 4 into minus 2 का square. This will be 4 upon 4, 4 upon minus 2, 4. This is minus 2 here. 4 into minus 2, minus 8 and 4 into 4. So numbers will be 1, minus 2, 4, minus 8 and 16. आंसर चेक करने के लिए ये सब नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सिक्सटीन एट जा 128 into 8. When you do this, you will get 1024. Alright, and you can calculate ये 16 जो है that is 4 का square. Fifth number is the square of the fourth number, square of the third number. Fifth number is 16, which is the square of the third number. Alright, so product आएगा 1024, इसका भी product आएगा 1024 and the fifth number will become the square of the third number. Next, question number 9. Question 9. The numbers x minus 6, 2x and x square are in GP. We have to find x. First term and nth term. Because the numbers are in GP means ratio remains same. So 2x upon x minus 6 is equal to x square upon 2x. One x gets cancelled, we cross multiply. तो क्या आएगा? 2x square equal to 2x square, alright, equal to x minus 6. X square minus 6x आएगा into, in fact, this will become 4x is equal to x into x minus 6. 1x gets cancelled, तो आएगा 4 is equal to x minus 6. So x will become 10. X is equal to 10. Now the first term. X minus 6, 2x and x square are in GP, means ratio. GP means ratio remains constant. So 2x upon x minus 6 is equal to x square upon 2x. 1x gets cancelled. Alright? X gets cancelled. So 4x is equal to x into x minus 6. Again x gets cancelled. So 4 is equal to x minus 6. X is equal to 10. Therefore, first term t1 will become x minus 6, that is 10 minus 6 equal to 4, and second term will be t2, that is 2x, that is 2 into 10 will become 20. Therefore, common ratio R is equal to T2 upon T1, that is 20 divided by 4 equal to 5. Let Tn be the nth term. So Tn का formula A into R raised to n minus 1. A is the first term, that is 4. R is 5 raised to n minus 1. Value of Tn will be 4 into 5 raised to n minus 1. ये हमारा फर्स्ट टर्म का आंसर आ गया. फर्स्ट टर्म इज योर T1. ये फर्स्ट नंबर जो है दैट इज द फर्स्ट टर्म, दैट इज x माइनस 6. तो पहले x का वैल्यू 10 आया, फर्स्ट टर्म आया 4 और nth टर्म आया. फर्स्ट टर्म के बाद सेकेंड टर्म निकालेंगे, वो 20 आएगा. ऑलराइट, this is the nth term. Question number 10. We are given the numbers are in GP. Because the numbers are in GP means ratio remains same. So second divided by first is equal to third divided by second. इसमें से एक x कैंसिल हो जाएगा, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और एक x कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो x का वैल्यू 10 आएगा. फिर फर्स्ट टर्म चाहिए. फर्स्ट टर्म इज x minus 6. That is 10 minus 6, so 4. Second term will be 2x, so 2 into 10 will be 20. We want common ratio because nth term के लिए will require the first term and the common ratio. Alright? Next. Question 10. We are given that PQRS are in GP. Because they are in GP, let us assume K as the common ratio. Normally common ratio हम R assume करते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे R already use में है तो K use करेंगे. Therefore Q upon P equal to R upon Q equal to S upon R equal to K. Since Q upon P equal to K, so Q will become P into K. We'll convert everything in terms of your P. What is R upon Q? That is also K. So R will become Q into K. That is Q is P into K into K. So R will become P into K square. and S upon R is also K. So S will become R into K. That is, what is R? Pk square into K. So S will become P into K cube. I will convert everything in terms of P. So the numbers are P, Q. What is Q? P into K. What is R? P into K square. What is S? P into K cube. Now, we have to prove that P raised to n plus Q raised to n, comma, Q raised to n plus R raised to n, comma, R raised to n plus S raised to n are in GP. To prove three numbers are in GP, we have to prove that the ratio remains constant. That is, Q raised to n plus R raised to n divided by is equal to ये दोनों का रेशियो, सेकेंड और फर्स्ट का रेशियो इज इक्वल टू थर्ड और सेकेंड का रेशियो. ये अगर प्रूव किया, then it is to be proved, it will be proved that these numbers are also in GP. Let us take the LHS. Q raised to n plus R raised to n upon P raised to n plus Q raised to n. We'll substitute the value P into K whole raised to n. ये Q का वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट किया, R का वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट किया और नीचे P का वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट किया. दिस विल बिकम P raised to n into K raised to n, P raised to n, K raised to 2n upon P raised to n, P raised to n into K raised to n. ये P raised to n कॉमन आएगा, न्यूमरेटर से P raised to n कॉमन आएगा, डिनोमिनेटर से भी P raised to n कॉमन आएगा और ये जो है K raised to 2n उसको दो पार्ट में स्प्लिट कर सकते हैं. K raised to 2n को दो पार्ट में स्प्लिट करेंगे, K raised to n इंटू K raised to n. तो ऐड करेंगे, बेस सेम है तो पावर ऐड हो जाएगा. वी कैन टेक K raised to n ऑल्सो कॉमन. तो भी ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. LHS का सिंप्लीफिकेशन आएगा K raised to n. सिमिलरली RHS कंसिडर करेंगे. क्या है RHS? R raised to n plus S raised to n upon Q raised to n plus R raised to n. R is Pk square raised to n, Pk cube raised to n upon Pk raised to n. This will become P raised to n, K raised to 2n, P raised to n, K raised to 3n upon we can remove P raised to n into K raised to n common. 1 plus K raised to 2n कॉमन निकालेंगे, डिवाइडेड बाय ये p रेस टू n कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 1 प्लस k रेस टू n कैंसिल हो जाएगा, आएगा वैल्यू k रेस टू n. ये k रेस टू 2n अपॉन k रेस टू n विल बिकम k रेस टू 2n माइनस n. ये बेस सेम है तो पावर सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा तो k रेस टू n आएगा. तो क्या प्रूव हुआ? ये LHS का वैल्यू k रेस टू n और RHS का वैल्यू भी k रेस टू n, मतलब ये दोनों रेशियो इक्वल प्रूव हुआ. ये दोनों रेशियो इक्वल है मतलब ये नंबर जीपी में आ गया. ऑलराइट, कोई भी 3 नंबर जीपी में होगा कैसे प्रूव कर सकते हैं? 2, 4, 8. We know these numbers are in GP. Ratio देखो, what is 4 upon 2? 2. What is 8 upon 4? 2. So to prove 3 numbers are in GP, we have to prove that ratio remains constant. Second divided by first is equal to third divided by second. So इसके बाद में लिखेंगे therefore LHS equal to RHS. Means लास्ट में ये लिखेंगे therefore p raised to n plus q raised to n, q raised to n plus r raised to n, r raised to n plus s raised to n are also in GP, क्योंकि ये रेशियो इक्वल प्रूव हुआ. LHS इक्वल टू RHS. यहां पे भी ये k रेस टू 3n को दो पार्ट में स्प्लिट करेंगे. k रेस टू 2n इंटू k रेस टू n. बेस सेम है तो पावर ऐड हो जाएगा. 2n प्लस n 3n. We can remove that common. This is 10th का ये पार्ट. Now 10th का B पार्ट. 10th का A और B दोनों पार्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है. Again, this part is the same. We are given PQRS are in GP. Therefore, Q upon P equal to R upon Q is equal to S upon R. ये तीनों को इक्वेट कर सकते हैं. पहले ये दोनों को इक्वेट किया, फिर ये दोनों को इक्वेट करेंगे और फिर पहले और तीसरे को इक्वेट करेंगे. तो यहां से मिलेगा क्यू स्क्वेयर इक्वल टू पी इंटू आर, आर स्क्वेयर इक्वल टू क्यू इंटू एस एंड क्यू इंटू आर इज इक्वल टू पी इंटू एस. ये तीनों रिजल्ट का हम बाद में यूज करने वाले हैं. इसको बोलेंगे इक्वेशन 1. Q इक्वल टू P इंटू आर, Q स्क्वेयर इक्वल टू P इंटू आर, R स्क्वेयर इक्वल टू Q इंटू एस, R स्क्वेयर इक्वल टू Q इंटू एस एंड QR इक्वल टू PS. Now we have to prove this. We have to prove that Q माइनस आर का स्क्वायर प्लस R माइनस P का स्क्वायर प्लस S माइनस Q का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू P माइनस S का स्क्वायर. अब इसमें हमने जो K वाला मेथड यूज किया था ना 10th के B पार्ट में, वो 10th के A पार्ट में वो भी यूज कर सकते हैं, लेकिन वो यूज नहीं करेंगे तो भी आंसर आएगा. सो आई एम गिविंग यू द सेकंड मेथड. K वाला मेथड करेंगे तो भी आएगा आंसर, लेकिन उसके बिना भी आ जाएगा आंसर. लुक हियर, इसको हम एक्सपांड कर देंगे तो क्या आएगा? क्यू स्क्वायर माइनस 2QR प्लस आर स्क्वायर, आर स्क्वायर माइनस 2PR प्लस P स्क्वायर एंड S स्क्वायर माइनस 2QS प्लस क्यू स्क्वायर। अब यहां पे है ये what is Q into R, P into S? What is P into R? Q square. And what is Q into S? R square. तो अब ये Q square plus Q square will become 2Q square, will cancel with minus 2Q square. R square and R square will become 2R square, will cancel with minus 2R square. तो क्या बचा? बचेगा क्या? P square minus 2PS plus Q S square. ये क्या बन जाएगा डायरेक्ट? परफेक्ट स्क्वायर ना? That is the RHS. Understood? क्या किया हमने? ये Q into R के जगह पे P into S लिखा। Then P into R के जगह पे Q स्क्वायर लिखा और Q into S के जगह पे R स्क्वायर लिखा। यहां पे मैं ब्रैकेट में लिखूंगा फ्रॉम 1। ये Q इंटू आर के जगह पे P इंटू एस लिखा, देन P इंटू आर के जगह पे Q स्क्वायर लिखा और Q इंटू एस के जगह पे R स्क्वायर लिखा। फिर Q स्क्वायर प्लस Q स्क्वायर, 2Q स्क्वायर विल कैंसिल विद माइनस 2Q स्क्वायर, R स्क्वायर प्लस R स्क्वायर, 2R स्क्वायर विल कैंसिल विद माइनस 2R स्क्वायर। तो बचेगा क्या? सिर्फ 3 टर्म, P स्क्वायर माइनस PS प्लस S स्क्वायर, दैट इज परफेक्ट स्क्वायर। P माइनस S का स्क्वायर, वही प्रूव करना है। LHS इक्वल टू RHS। LHS equal to RHS. Now we come to two word problems. Question 11 and question 12. Question 11 and question 12. Bacteria in a culture double every hour. Original number of bacteria is given to be 50. So number of bacteria at the end of first hour will be 50 into 2. That is 100. Number of bacteria at the end of second hour is 100 into 2 will be 200. Therefore number of bacteria form a GP having terms 50, 100, 200 and so on. So A equal to 50, R equal to 100 upon 50 will be 2. Second term will be 200 and second term will be 100. Third term will be 200. What does 100 represent? 100 is number of bacteria at the end of first hour, and that is not the first term, that is the second term. So number of bacteria at the end of first hour is the second term, and number of bacteria at the end of second hour is 200, which is the third term. Therefore second term represents number of bacteria at the end of first hour. Third term represents number of bacteria at the end of second hour. Therefore, we want to find number of bacteria at the end of fifth hour. That means we have to find T6, not T5. Alright. What is the formula for Tn of Gp? A into R raised to n minus 1. So T6 will be A into R raised to 5. A is 50 into 2 raised to 5. 50 into 32. 1600 is the answer. गवर्नमेंट टेक्स्ट बुक में आंसर 800 दिया है जो गलत है. ऑलराइट, इजी कैलकुलेशन. नंबर ऑफ बैक्टीरिया प्रेजेंट इनिशियली इज 50. एट द एंड ऑफ फर्स्ट आवर विल बी 100. एट द एंड ऑफ सेकेंड आवर विल बी 200. एट द एंड ऑफ थर्ड आवर विल बी 400. एट द एंड ऑफ फोर्थ आवर विल बी 800. and at the end of fifth hour will be 1600. So your answer has to be 1600. 1600 is the answer. Alright. We do now problem number 12. A ball is dropped from a height of 80 feet. Given that it rebounds 3/4 of the height it has fallen from. So original height is 80. Height at the end of first bounce is 80 into 3/4. So cancel, okay, 60 आएगा. Height at the end of second bounce will be 60 into 3/4, 45. Therefore, the height of the ball after each bounce forms a GP having terms 80, 60, 45. So, first term will be 80. Common ratio will be 60 upon 80, that is 3/4. Second term is 60. Please note, second term जो है, that is the height after the first bounce. Third term जो है, that is the height after the second bounce. We want to find the height of the ball after sixth bounce, that is T7, and after the nth bounce, that is Tn plus 1. Formula for Tn is A into R raised to n minus 1. So T7 will be A into R raised to 6, that is 80 into 3/4 raised to 6. We know Tn, A into R raised to n minus 1. We want Tn plus 1. So we'll replace n by n plus 1. n के जगह पे n plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. A is 80, R is 3/4 raised to n. So with this problem number 12, we have completed type 1 of sequence and series chapter. Next lecture में we'll be starting with problems based on Sn of GP, sum up to n terms of GP. जैसे हमने Sn का formula AP में किया है, similar formula is there in GP, which we'll be doing in the next lecture. Alright? Now